Hello, Mr. Hebe here, and today we're going to finish up with our first video where we made a guessing game. So you can the computer picks a random number and you just keep guessing until you get it right. Now, there's a couple things I wanted to add to this. One is I want to count how many guesses people take. So I am going to call this number of guesses. And I'm going to start that at 0 because you didn't guess yet. Now, each time you guess, so this is right after you guess, I'm going to say number of guesses. I'm going to have that go up by 1. And we can say plus equals 1. And so what that does is each time it's going to go up by 1 number every time it hits that piece of code. All right, so now it will keep track of how many guesses I do. So now, once we get the number correct, we can have another print here that says you found the answer in only, and then I'm going to pause that, and I want to put this variable here, the number of guesses I want to put here. The only problem is we start that at 0, which is an integer. We keep going up by 1, which shows that it's still going to be an integer. But we can't put an integer and a string together. We can't concatenate or put together those two things. So we'll say string number of guesses. And then we need to connect the other thing on the other side. So it would be you found the answer in only 5. Then we'd say guesses. So this guesses is the word guesses. That will pop up. Now let's just check and see if this works. So I'm going to run this. And we're going to assume that it's going to run. All right, what number do you want to pick? Let's say 5. Oh, it's too low. 7, too high. Well, narrowed it down at 6. All right, I found it in only 3 guesses.